Ify, wait for me now. Ify, wait for me now. Ify, wait.
Okay, now what is it? What is it?
Ify, calm down. But one more again. You know you are a very pretty girl, and everybody in this village like you, especially Moabwe Kenna. Yeah, I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I've been waiting for you to see this opportunity. How much I love you, and I won't marry you.
You know the shame. You know the shame. Like, have you even looked at me? This Celine Dion where they here. Now you dey yarn all this rubbish for? You dey lick.
If you put your more again, see me now, I'm not a handsome boy. Forget to go get wow, money day. You man on head when I find girl, when I don't make that money, seize that money, when I go sit here, I go make this money and get take care of you. In fact,
I don't blame you. It's not your fault, oh. It's just before that my uncle, where we come village, you won't carry me go city. All this is like for they tell me, I still finish now over familiarity. We don't they shite it. I don't blame you.
Thank God. Thank God it don't happen. You know, because of me, now God just working like that. He's a miracle working God. The Cobia has here the pen. You see, as you did, so you now find girl. Me, I like you. If you be too more.
Stay there. No come on.
Chalo.
No come, cause I go come on your teeth just now. No try am.
But wait, is it because I'm not rich? Or makana bata beromego? And this easy.
Ekena, let this be the first and the last day you will ever stop me on the road to utter rubbish. Did you hear me? Don't try it next time.
If you look better,
idiot.
If you
come.
Hey, they go to machine. Nah, I know one day you get quality. You must agree. If you wait,
stay away from Frank. He's my man, not yours. Lele, who be your man? Man will not even look your face. Someone doesn't even know if you exist. They crazy. Teresa, I swear with my life, if you don't stay away from Frank, you will see the other side of me. Shut up your mouth. You no go fit cough. See, before I wanted to just make it to be like a platonic friendship, no strings attached. But see this nonsense where you just yam now. I show now you Romeo and Juliet things. Maba, I go date am. You no go fit cough. Teresa, I go date am. You are daring me. You are daring me. What you go do? You no go fit do anything. I go date am. Your eye go clear. You dey craze. Can't I have peace in this house? Ona mama nguwu mmiri togbiko. Mama, no na hey! Shut up. I cannot drink water and keep my cup. Can you just shut up? Meche gonugi. Anamaju. Can't I drink water and keep my cup? If you don't argue about this, you argue about that. Now is not frank argument. Kwa? Anamajugi. Amaka. Amaka. This nonsense girl. Will you shut up? Will you shut up? I said shut up. I want that. I'll see this tomorrow. I'm asking you Amaka. They ask me about that. I'm not blaming you. Wait. Amaka. Mama. Amaka. Frank, you're wicked. You are two-faced. Like, you made me think you loved me.
Amaka, what is all these accusations for? I made you feel like I loved you? How? When? Where?
Are you serious?
Amaka, I have never confessed my feelings to you. I have never... Amaka, what are you talking about?
Like, you don't love me. Am I not beautiful? Am I not good enough for you?
Amaka, I have never confessed my feelings to you, and I do not like these accusations. I have always made my intentions very clear to Teresa. So what is all these accusations for? Amaka, from where? How?
You love me. You love me.
Amaka, I don't know what you are talking about. I have... What is this now?
Frank, I can see it in your eyes. You love me.
Amaka, I don't know what you're talking about. Please, I was on my way home. I don't know what you're...
Frank!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ah, that guy is a manipulator, man. Hi! So that he made it look so urgent, as if Chike really sent him, and I didn't even think twice.
That's the problem. At least you should have thought twice. You know, can't act like saying that you.
I don't know. This guy play me. I don't even think twice at all. Teresa, don't F up.
Chineke mere mobi ebere, mere mobi ebere, mere mobi ebere o. Eze mere mo. Who is that? Amaka?
What is it?
I'm here.
Say what you want to say and stop calling Ami. What is Ami?
There is something I said I was going to talk to you about.
Which is?
It concerns your conversation with Mama last night. I overheard everything about the youth money. Amaka, you were accusing Teresa wrongly. Yes. You know very well that Teresa will not do such a thing. She will never take what does not belong to her.
No, what? How will you know, Tony? Eh? You have always been blind to her flaws, literally and otherwise.
Amaka.
How will you know?
Amaka, I do not need eyes to know the truth. They say the truth can never be hidden. All we need is our sense. And I feel you are lacking that.
Do you know you just insulted me?
I am not trying to insult you.
Tony, that means I don't have sense.
I don't mean it that
I don't have sense now. You that have sense. What do you want me to do?
I don't mean it that way. I'm only trying to say that what you said about...
Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. Respect yourself. Sense. Do you have sense? Do you have sense?
You were just come on, I beg you, give that one first. Chicken. I don't know if you are thinking what I'm thinking. What I think? The thing with Obina in this village is beginning to smell. It's beginning to stink. We can no longer keep quiet. And the villagers, the youth, everybody is asking questions.
Okodo, be careful. That boy is Ezemo's son. Some doors are better left unopened.
Yes. So because he's Ezemo's son, we should now be afraid of him.
No, but just that I choose my battle wisely. Don't worry.
I'm ashamed of you.
It.
I'm ashamed of you.
Say that, Babu.
I'm ashamed of you, Chike.
Where that hungry man dey? Where you there now? Make you show yourself. If you get mind, Show yourself. You and that your thief of a son. Make una show on yourself. Nonsense. Where you dey hide? Come out, come face me. I dey here. Okay. No wahala now, no problem. I don't see and say as word no do you. Action go speak like that. Uba, this nonsense. After this nonsense crap. Una dey mad. Una dey crazy for head here. Nonsense. And me and I won't cry. It's pure. Nonsense. If I give it to this man today, idiot. You go say my name na Teresa. I don't fear anybody. I don't fear man. I don't fear God. I take halfway. Idiot. Anything you want to make it happen. Idiot.
Don't give me that. What have you done?
What did I do?
What did you do?
Tell me, Nana. You go tell me what did I do.
You scattered the shrine?
That one. Listen, I went to look for that fraudster. I didn't see him. He gets luck. Eh? But no problem. I left a message for him so that he will feel our anger.
Teresa! You want to bring us upon yourself?
Which dirty cause with that? See, if the gods know what they do, now him they go punish, not be me. That guy na scammer, better scammer. See, he get luck, so I no meet him there. That is, I for flog and 2 by 2, use the face, scrub ground.
You're going mad.
Not today.
You're losing it.
It is how I wear. I don't wear right from time. I don't know, man. I know it's today something. Now, oh, gist. Now, why you keep your face like this? Now, free that talk, I beg. Now, when you talk that thing, I beg, talk about that.
I think you're going mad now. You're losing it.
Anything you want to talk.
Teresa, Ichibu, do you want to kill me? Is this how you want to pay me for giving birth to you and raising you to this age?
Nah, mama, nobody is dying now. Ogini this self. You see that shrine? That is a scam. Better scam like this. Reason am now. If to say that shrine get power, if I don't kill Obina and him papa, yes, he would have killed Obina and his father. That's a correct scam. Oh.
Teresa,
Ma?
Did you cut the clothes in the shrine?
I no enter. I didn't enter. I just go there, go destroy those decorations. It's not like I burnt it.
You call those things decoration, Teresa?
Mama, decoration be that now. Waiting again.
Hey!
Nah, wow.
Teresa, what did I do wrong to give birth to you people? Inayage, Naya Amaka. Your brother is there, blind. Teresa, what did I do wrong?
Mama, what's happen now? What's happen? I keep person. I know they talk like that. That's in a scam. I tell you, no, that's scam.
Did you keep person? Do you know you have committed what is more than killing? Hey!
Nothing they happen, Mama. Just back that cap. It's nothing they happen. Hey. That's all right.
Amaka, how are you?
I'm fine.
This is why I'm smiling.
My youth leader.
How far now? So, have you spoken to your sister? Because her behavior is not acceptable.
No, I did not. Sometimes I wonder if she's my sister. Eh?
Why I'm telling you all this is now because she's making things worse with her behavior. As I'm talking to you now, the others are not happy with her. She better go home and talk to her.
Whatever you want to do her, you should go ahead. If you want to kill her, if the elders want to kill her, they should go ahead and kill her. Agabara.
People should handle her. It's not my business. Get go Sebastian.
Amaka, talk to your sister.
I cannot.
Okay. Oh.
A goat for peace offering. That is what you have to sacrifice to atone for your daughter's sacrilege. The sacrilege she committed here.
Hey. I will provide the goat for the sacrifice. Manabiko, don't harm my child.
Mama, Isigini. No, what did you just say? You will buy goat and give to who? This 419 or Mame? It's not going to happen. Man, these people, they are fake. You're not buying any goat. Oh, Mama. Mama, stop. Now can you allow this man? He's hungry. He wants to eat pepper soup and yam. He's telling you to bring goat. Does he even know? Can he even afford a goat? No, can he? Or is it this stick that will eat the goat?
What is wrong with you, Teresa? What is wrong with you?
The dog that is marked for death does not perceive the other offices.
You are that dog. You say you are that dog. Nonsense.
He whom the gods want to kill, they first make mad.
As you do like this, your brain no man.
Get out of my sight.
Guy, you don't matter. When they bring anything, they tell you no ghosts they come here. No ghosts they come here.
Ezemo.
What you
people don't take her words to heart. She's only with a child. Don't harm her. I will bring the goat. Remember you said if you don't get it from her, you get it from me. Obiko. Nemorongwa get with Obiko. Oh.
Ezemo, honestly, I don't like her. She's very arrogant, stubborn, always dragging my family into problem. See, Ezemo, if you want to kill her, go ahead and do it.
Don't worry, my daughter. Don't bother yourself. By the time we are done with these sacrifice issues, she will not trouble anyone anymore. I assure you of that.
Ezemo.
Don't worry.
Look, you wouldn't have done what you did. If you went there and you did not meet him, you would have left.
Left to where? No, where I want left to go. That boy took our contribution money to the city. 500,000 naira. Not be small money be that oh. That money if he gets one plot of land for this village. Ha!
Look, I understand how you feel. I can feel your plight. But I am just concerned. I do not want to see you hurt.
Hurt? Mama, Teresa, nobody feel hurt me for this video. No, they don't burn that person where. Be it human being or man, mortal, immortal, nobody feel do me anything. My only anger now, that stupid man will say make I give him goat. Can you imagine? But he go old, he go grow white beard, but that goat, you know, smell him. If I give him that goat, man, call.
A goat?
Me, goat. You go wait, now you mad way. Person his son get mind, do me. This boy come my house here, begged me for that money that he was sent by the youth leader, only for him to dupe me. Me, Teresa, person use me shine, guy. Hi. I never even recover say person feel whine me like that. Like the thing they vex me. I'm so fucking angry. I'm very angry.
I am just concerned about your well-being. I don't want to see you hurt.
Thank you for your concern. I appreciate it.
Mama, is it true that once the goat is provided, everything will settle down?
That is what the SMO said though. He said once the goat is provided, everything will be settled. But if for Teresa will not kill me. Teresa have refused me to go and buy the goat. She went to the extent of seizing all the money I've sold in these recent times.
Okay, Mama, I will provide the money for the goat so that everything can be settled once and for all.
Imini?
Yes.
You mean it?
I do.
Hey. Let me quickly lock up the shop. So
it's okay, okay.
You're the same blood. You're the same old. Friends you change, lovers leave, sisters eternity. You're the same blood. You're the same. You're the same old. You're the same. Friends you change.
Nonsense girl. If only she knows how much I hate her, she will regret why she has me as a sister.
No need to fight each other. Oh, you are the same.
Ezemo. Just as you instructed. Who have brought the goat. Manabiko, don't harm my.
Yes, Ezemo, please forgive her. Please, we are begging.
The gods have seen your hearts. They accept your offer. But you must warn her. Warn her never to repeat what she did. Otherwise, I shall strike her with Togugu.
Mbano Ezemo, I promise I'll warn her. Biko, you don't have to strike her with anything. Not even Ogugu, not Amadio. I'll warn her personally and do her myself. Biko.
You may leave.
Is it atarodo pepper or yellow pepper? Which one? Pepper, how now?
Teresa, stop this now. Teresa, stop this. This is a
What is
serious
it?
matter.
What is it? What is it? Eh? Mama,
Amaka.
What is this your pikin? She wanted to kill me. That is this girl wanted to kill me today.
How?
Man, the good Lord that I served saved me.
Sit down, go. Sit down, sit down.
Do you know that?
Yes, sit here.
The water that she used in bathing was supposed to be my water. Yes, I saw this girl putting pepper into my bathing water. I kept quiet though. I just pour like this. Come Chereya, let me wait for her to finish her mischievous attitude. And then I swapped the water. She used the peppered one and I used the normal one.
There is Ambano. There is Amba.
Mbagini.
What is it?
No, shut up.
After the stress of going to the market to buy goats, Frank and I to take it to the shrine, I come here to meet another wahala. What is it now?
Mama is singing.
What is it?
Oh yeah, you.
Frank, and you that will never respect yourself.
Teresa, go to punish you. Frank, answer me now. You buy goats?
Yes, I bought a goat. I went with your mother to appease the shrine.
Nah, I sent you. Did I ask for your help?
I did it for you.
Nah, I don't like this kind of thing now. I was trying this goat again. Which kind of goat be that one, safe? No problem, no one. We don't already stop now. So as you go be, no problem. But the matter now be say, I won't go junction. May I go junction go see my friend Ify. She dey wait for me, eh? I'll come back. I'll see you soon.
Mama!
Don't fire you!
Sister Teresa, let's do something now.
Sister
Teresa, get water for her now. Mama!
Frank! Nah, be okay? Peace out.
Ndo.
God will punish you.
Hey.
Teresa, God will punish you. God will punish you there.
It's okay. It's the pain. No, it's
Mama!
The same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers sleep, sisters, eternity. You're the same.
So you get mind. My people carry goats come here. You get mind collect the goat from them. You dey meant? You know they fear me, Abi? No, you're not afraid of me. You're just hungry. You should have told me that you are hungry. Let me cook pepper soup and bring for you. Nonsense, man. I wonder what kind of gods even choose a hungry man like you to serve them. Wait, now this stick they want chop the goat. No, tell me who want chop the goat now? Tell me say they hungry because not be this thing what they see here want chop this goat oh.
How dare you barge into my territory? To insult me, you!
What's no territory? What's in be territory? You call this a territory because of this white and red where you tie for here? You're not serious. In fact, I'm not come here to play with you or banter words with you. Where's the goat? I don't get much to say to you. Where that goat? Where the goat?
What do you think you're doing?
They craze for head. Go tell me say the pepper soup they hungry you. You fit afford goat? They carry what you no fit afford. Oh yeah, follow me.
Huh?
Okay.
Hey. From this day, I curse you. You shall have no peace in your life. You shall become more useless than uselessness itself.
God, hungry bastard. Don't stay hunger, they catch her. Come, shut up here. When you there, you dey cry. Nonsense. Can you go give that nonsense as a money in the name of God? Say person supposed to make money. Chop better pepper.
I'll suffer the blindness of Tony. I will suffer the blindness.
No.
Now they craze for it.
Huh?
Where I go tie this goat? Now I need to tie this goat where my eye go to see her.
Is this not a goat? Mama.
I send you make you buy goats. If una just make small money like this, and I go just dey misbehave any nonsense. You see these goats, eh? Nobody they carry and go any shrine. As a matter of fact, see this goat, I go and make pepper soup. All of us go chop am.
Teresa, Mambo. Teresa, you will not kill me. Teresa, you will not kill me. I did not kill my mother. Neither did my mother kill her own mother.
Yeah, Mama, how could that
you will not kill me. You will not kill me.
They will not kill me.
Instead of you scolding your sister when you saw her pour pepper in your bucket of water and pour away the water, you allowed her to bathe with the water.
Now come on now. Mama, she must sleep until she
carry the goats. We gave to Ezemo. Teresa again can meregi. Teresa mengigini. What did I do to you, Teresa? You will not give me. Mangologi.
Mama, leave this way they talk. Leave this way they talk. You don't make sense. I go cook the goat. All of us will go chop am. It's better for us to chop am than that criminal. Who want chop the goat? No, who tell you say na the goat want chop the goat? Na those stick waiting for the shrine want chop am. Na him and his son wan use am do pepper soup chop, and e no go happen. Me Teresa, I no go allow am. Wetin happen?
Do you understand the implication of what you have done?
Exactly. Sister, what you've done is wrong. Huh?
Who they talk? Blind Bartimaeus. See, ma, I tell you, if others they talk, no, they open your mouth, they talk, they hear me. Mind your blind nature. Man, no enter you now. If not, I go make you go deaf. Mama, you get yellow pepper and scent leaf.
You go to me.
You
go to me. This girl has.
Mama, don't touch me. Oh, this is for the betterment of the family. See, can go better go to go use cook pepper soup, you go full pot. So now one can go give that man. Nah, Go to we go try, carry and give Ezemo. No be who want chop am, I don't stick whether for a shrine go chop am.
What is wrong with you? Teresa, what is wrong with you? Do you even think everyone is happy with what is at stake?
You dey shout for me?
Yes, I am shouting at you. I am. You are overdoing all of this, Teresa. You are. Teresa, I am just looking out for you.
No, Shebina, because of this goat, Abi. This goat where you buy. Now why they talk to me like this? No, now I get it. Don't worry, I get it. You know what will happen? I will return this goat. But you go day your day, I go day my day. You dey hear me so? Make everybody day in day. Is that day something?
Teresa, I am just trying to be here for you. I am just concerned about you.
Not be here for me anything. Say that this goat be the problem. I go return and you go day your day, I go day my day. I don't talk my own finish.
I don't mean it that way.
Come here, officer. Nonsense.
I am just trying to help. It is for your sake, Teresa.
You're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same love.
Mama, are you off to the market?
I don't understand. Now, do you want to pour your bad luck on us all?
Hi. Bad luck. And then, that is not true now. I was only asking Mama so I can wish her well to the market. Huh? Why are you saying that?
Teresa, you the berry. Every small thing, your mouth is moving up and down. Eh? You don't even have small pity for this poor boy. What is wrong with you?
Amaka, see, I don't have time for your unnecessary pity speeches right now. Do you hear me? Mind yourself.
I beg you, shift. Go down, I beg.
And as for you, you're very lucky that Mama no longer sells akara along the road. Else, I would have sent you there to go and grind beans.
No.
I know, at least it will be useful now.
Can't it be possible in this house that for a whole day, full day, that won't be shouting and quarreling? Or no, you do possible? Or do people want me to buy super glue to close your mouth?
No.
Anthony, we are going to the shop. Take care of yourself. And as for your best wishes, I take it. You know, go? Take care of the house. Don't look for trouble. Anyway, I know you don't used to look for trouble. Your food is in the house.
Mama, that wish you accept now the very risky.
Because
all the very risky.
Teresa, bye-bye. Amaka, bye-bye. No, don't forget to buy me groundnuts.
Be careful. Teresa, be careful.
My leg is scratch me.
Just sat down 30 minutes ago and you're complaining about your leg. Teresa.
See, you know what's going to happen this day? Let me just go home. I want to go and wash. I'll be back. Oh, don't worry, I'll come back and mind the shop. Let me just go and shower. Ooh, and wash. Yeah? I will come.
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same old. You're the same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You cannot run away from your shadow. No need to fight each other. You are the same. You're the same blood. The same. You're the same blood.
Enya, wake up. My friend, get up, I beg.
Sister?
Every time you go, they pretend today useful to this family, but you're actually useless. You're very, very useless.
Sister, what did I do?
Oh, yeah, take. I won't wash clothes. Go fetch water for me for backyard. Take now, be useful. Take. See the bucket here. Take. Go fetch water. I want use and wash clothes.
Sister, you know I cannot fetch water.
If I come out this your mouth, you cannot fetch water. No, you just want to be lying down. You just want to be useless. Eating only. Abi? No, tell me, what's the one carry you do for this family? Say, if you're just a waste product, a big burden to us. You're telling me you cannot. You don't want to be me personally. Teresa, I mean go train you to get sense. I mean go train you to be useful. You hear me? Or you get up. Brother, get up. Be a man. Your mate today for gym by now. They pull weight. Go fetch that for me. Don't waste my time, please. Very fast. I need to wash you.
Ifanya miracle na fu mwa polisi ebezina mwa polisi Vijanya mirigi
What? I see this Jew man. This small bucket of water and I just fall for here.
Why would you ask him to fetch water when you know you can't do this? Must you do this?
I don't understand. Spokesman, he supposed they help for the house. They do small chores. Now blind the blind, you know, not be death sentence be that.
Teresa, but you know you can't do this. You would have called me to come and fetch the water than you doing this to your old blood brother. It's not good. You keep doing this.
Shay, they whine me. Who you be? No, who invites you call for family matter? Who you be? Listen, if you want help, I know they can't careless, I beg.
I'd rather help my friend that will watch him suffering.
Help for your mind, I be good person. You dey crazy.
Let me help him.
What if you want to? You want pour me this water? Guy, I go use your face, scrub this ground, mop this ground, finish. No. 2 hours work.
Don't mind her. She know your blood sister. Must she do this to you? She keep doing this.
Hey. They shout on my compound. They hear me so if you want help person, you help person. No, they shout on my compound.
Is it not Amaka's voice I'm hearing? Amaka?
What is it? Ogini. K4.
I heard your voice. What are you doing?
I want to cook.
Oh. Okay. Amaka, can I assist you?
assist me. Have you helped yourself, Tony? And what makes you think you can be useful around here? Hmm?
We are not quarreling now. I am only trying to help. As your brother, I'm only doing my part.
Your part is not enough. Other enough. See, you're a burden. A big burden. And everyone knows about it. Can you just leave me alone? Can you leave? Just leave here.
I was only asking to help you, nothing more. Okay, please, don't be offended. I will leave you.
You're trying to assist me. Go and assist yourself.
Anyway, I'm sorry.
Better leave here. I love me changing now. I love me changing.
What have I done? What have I done to deserve this pain and wickedness?
Listen, I don't just dislike you. I hate you. I detest you. In fact, anything more than hate, all of that. You are a curse. You are a bad luck to this family.
I never brought myself into this family.
Nah, shut up, I beg.
I didn't choose this life for myself. God brought me into this family for a reason. Why do you guys treat me with pain? What have I done wrong?
Why do you sound as if you're the only one suffering in this house? Eh? You bring bad luck to this house. You make everybody around you suffer.
Exactly.
What is your problem?
Exactly, that's my point. You know, you reek of bad luck. Everything around you is negativity. Problems, you bring ill luck. Jeez.
I am not a cause. I am not a cause.
Aren't you pot calling kettle black?
Who be that?
Now you now. Are you not bad luck too? Are you better than Tony? I say Tony is bad luck.
See this one, oh. See this cricket. Hey, you open your mouth, they insult me. You want make I play? I go mend you like this. I go
you not do anything. Like you will not do anything. Stop making noise.
You know say you dey close to me. I don't want to commit murder. Oh.
Make that hand no touch me. Make that hand no just near me. Make that hand no just near me.
Let's allow love to reign in this house.
Guys, shut up your mouth, abeg. Make una for that. Make una dey. What dey worry on herself? See this small rat. This
abeg go sit down. Abeg.
You dey talk. See, I go jam una two here together. All of una bad luck. Una dey craze. Even you sef, you be bad luck.
Teresa, Mama, don't you want to think about settling down? You don't want to marry.
Mother, do you want me to marry a poor man and suffer? What are you saying now?
It's not about who you marry, whether poor or rich. It's about finding love, finding a good partner. That is what that matters.
Mama, as you see me like this, I am destined for greatness. No, all you two day my head my head too short. I'm destined for greatness, okay? I'm gonna be wealthy and I won't marry a poor man. You think I can marry? I will marry anything. No, Mama, no be settled for
and also I can get you anywhere. Eh? When you marry the whoever, you will be packing. He will be packing. Okay?
My life not be like that, so.
See, I am warning you, and I have warned you. Think of your future.
Nah, Mama, come go do down. Mama, listen, see, I will make money. I'll make money and I'll make you proud.
You make money and you make me proud.
Mama, don't
just
worry.
Think of your future. That's the only thing I want you to do.
Eh? You see that future, Mama? You too bright, Jay. My picture they muke. I tell you, no be lie. Don't worry. Relax, Mama. I got you. I got you covered. Are they come, yeah? Peace. See you, bro. I'm coming.
Osim, bro. What's in bro? What's gonna wear man ya for? Konya why?
Abattoir Kowasiadi Kobosi if Ifanya miracle na fu Mwa polisi Ebezina mwa polisi Ebezina Vijanya mirigi
Chineke mere m obi ebere, mere m obi ebere, mere m obi ebere o. Eze mere m. Who is that? Amaka?
What is it?
I'm here.
Say what you want to say and stop calling Ami. What is Ami?
There is something I said I was going to talk to you about.
Which is?
It concerns your conversation with Mama last night. I overheard everything about the youth money. Amaka, you were accusing Teresa wrongly. Yes. You know very well that Teresa will not do such a thing. She will never take what does not belong to her.
No, what? How would you know, Tony? Eh? You have always been blind to her flaws, literally and otherwise. Kekigesi Amazi.
Amaka.
How will you know?
Amaka, I do not need eyes to know the truth. They say the truth can never be hidden. All we need is our sense. And I feel you are lacking that.
Do you know you just insulted me?
I am not trying to insult you.
Tony, that means I don't have sense.
I don't mean it that
I don't have sense now. You that have sense. What do you want me to do?
I don't mean it that way. I'm only trying to say that what you said about...
Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. Respect yourself. I'm not asking sense. Do you have sense? Do you have sense?
God, why was I born? Why did you bring me to this world? Why did you bring me to this world to suffer? Why? Who did I offend? Who did I wrong? This was never the life I wished for.
To change, lovers live, sisters, eternity. You're the same love. You're the same. You're the same. You're the same. Friends to change, lovers live, sisters, eternity. You cannot run away from your shadow. No need to fight each other. Oh, you are the same. You're the same love. The same. You're the same.
Enya, wake up. My friend, get up, I beg.
Sister?
Every time you go, they pretend to be useful to this family, but you're actually useless. You're very, very useless.
Sister, what did I do?
Oh yeah, take. I won't wash clothes. Go fetch that for me for backyard. Take now, be useful. Take. See the bucket here. Take.
Sister.
Go fetch it. I want use and wash clothes.
Sister, you know I cannot fetch water. Huh?
If I commode this your mouth, you cannot fetch water. No, you just want to be lying down. You just want to be useless, eating only. Abi? No, tell me, what's the one carry you do for this family? Sef, you're just a waste product, a big burden to us. You're telling me you cannot. You don't want to be me personally. Eh, Teresa. I me go train you to get sense. I me go train you to be useful. You hear me? Or you get up. Brother, get up. Be a man. Ah, your mate today for gym by now. They pull weight. Go and fetch that for me. Don't waste my time, please. Very fast. I need to watch you.
Ifanya mirika unafu mwa polisi hebezina mwa polisi hebezina Vijanya mirigi Vijanya miru Vijanya
Man,
this small bucket of water and I just fall for you.
Why would you ask him to fetch water when you know you can't do this? Must you do this?
I don't understand. Spokesman, he's supposed to help for the house. They do small chores. Now blind the blind, you know, not be death sentence be that.
Teresa, but you know you can't do this. You would have come in to come and fetch the water than you doing this to your old blood brother. It's not good. You keep doing this.
Shay, they whine me. Who you be? No, who invite you call for family matter? Who you be? Listen, if you want help, I know they can't careless, I beg.
I'd rather help my friend that will watch him suffering.
Help her. For your mind, I be good person. Eh? You dey crazy?
Let me help him.
What if you want to? You want pour me this water? Guy, I go use your face, scrub this ground, mop this ground, finish. No. 2 us go.
Don't mind her. She know your blood sister. Must she do this to you? She keep doing this.
Hey! They shout on my compound. They hear me, so if you want help person, you help person. No, they shout on my compound.
What did I do? Why is everyone against me? My sisters, my lovely sisters who are meant to stand for me, why are they against me? Who did I offend? Because why is everyone against me? God, God of the poor, please, I beg you, I am tired. Just take my life. Take my life, I am tired. I do not want to cause anyone pain again. Nico, take my life, please.
Nkiru,
Ma?
what happened to your face?
I had a little accident. Don't worry, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I want to go and see Teresa. Is she at home?
She's in the house.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, okay, you're just coming from the...
Yes, I came to see my family. I'll leave soon. Let me just hurry. I'm fine, Mama.
Chikwero, we get to the gife.
Enke. Enke.
Teresa.
Who did this to you?
Won't you welcome me first before asking all these questions? At least, find me a seat.
No, that one no matter now. Who taught you? What happened to you? Who do you this thing?
Teresa, it's a very long story.
Hey! So you don't want to talk who do you this thing? You don't want to talk who do? No, just tell me, make I know. I just want to know. I just want to get the knowledge. Who do you this thing?
Just at least offer me a seat to sit, okay? Please.
Okay. That is now human being design your face like this, oh.
You will not believe what I heard. Nkiri is back and she's a mess. A big mess. What happened to her? She's covered up with bruises like she's been through hell. Guy, her body is... Oh my God. You can't talk. If that is true, no man will raise his hand on me and go court for
the man.
Oh God. We died in that jail. Is it that I die?
No,
or you die?
Imagine. Just like that. Enke. So you mean your husband did this to you?
Yes.
Now this man. But now this man disfigure your face like this. No, that man must collect now. Haba. No. You don't deserve to go scot-free like that. You go come up for that marriage, oh. You see that marriage? You don't already come up for there.
I heard you. I'm not going back.
Ha! It was I did and now that is a go like this with 2 by 2. Plank in head for him.
Down. It's okay.
Kata in teeth, men.
It's okay.
Nah, I know they like this kind of thing. Just see now. Sorry, no vex. You don't take medicine.
Yes, I took drugs.
You sure? Where in the? Where your husband? Where in the?
Why are you asking?
Mama. Teresa is something also. That girl is wicked. And I've said this before.
Amaka.
Mama.
Why do you always speak ill of your sister?
May speak ill of my sister, Mama. Mama, how can you raise someone like that? Always looking for who to fight with. Mama, other family used to train their family well. I don't understand this your own.
Amaka. There's something wrong with you. Oh, they making it. You are talking of your sister, but your own is worse, Amaka. I'm going to go back. Ochicha Mary Hebrew, okay? You're reminding me of my life. Okay? Was I not the only one that trained all of you? Did I not bring you up myself? Was your father there? I ask you. Was your father there to assist in your upbringing? Nunu gara secondary school or more. Primary income or more. How old were you when your father died? Can you remember? Can you remember? I'm asking you.
Mama, we are not fighting. We are not fighting.
We are fighting. We are fighting because you are reminding me my past. You are reminding me my inabilities as a mother. Ochicha Mary Hobiro, okay? Teresa Mankeki Kanjo. Your own is worse. I don't want you to run me off. All of you are the same. Teresa and Anogo. You are on a panla.
I'm just
just advising you.
Advisor?
Why did you train someone like that?
Advisor!
Mama, we are not fighting.
Be careful.
We are not fighting. We are not fighting.
In fact, give me a gentleman.
Other families are
you're just
training 7 children.
Reminding me my past.
You are saying all these things, Mama. I don't like it.
I raised you well, oh. I raised Teresa well.
Mama,
it
you
is
did
the
not.
people that choose the life you want to live as you became adults. Teresa well up na kubushinti mad. I don't do everywhere.
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same.
Amaka, good afternoon. I was coming to your house. Please, is your sister around?
Which of them?
Ha! Which of them as how? Teresa, of course. How many sisters do you have?
I'm only Teresa. Am I her keeper? What is your problem?
Amaka. Why are you always like this?
The world we live in requires sharp teeth.
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same old. You're the same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity.
You shall say you don't want to tell me the color of the sky.
No, sister, no. It's something very important. Please, I won't take your time.
But talk at the air.
Sister, do you hate me?
Ogbeni, don't flatter yourself. Hate is an understatement.
Sister, I live here too. I am a human being. And I breathe the same air.
That is the problem. You exist, yet it feels like you don't. You are failure. Bad luck. I hate you. Nonsense. Next time stop me again, I go use my hand, choke inside your blind eye.
It's well, my sister. What has happened has happened. You no question God.
I've left everything for God. He alone knows best.
He alone knows best, my sister. But you see that man, to never be well with him.
Amen.
No go better for him.
Amen. Just look at what he did to my face.
Chai.
Don't touch it.
He's still paining you.
Yes, he's still paining me.
Oh, Chai. You just look at fine face. Sorry, my sister.
I've left everything for God.
Sorry.
Who is here?
Oh, yeah?
Knock, knock. Who is selling? Good afternoon, ma.
Afurange.
Ma, please, how much is this one?
Don't you know how to read?
I don't understand.
My children tagged everything in this shop. Even as small as this sweet in my hand. Check the pack, you see how much is there.
Madam, please talk to me with respect.
What will I be for? Kokwanka. I should talk to you with respect. Okay, give me one.
I will not buy things from you again.
I will not buy things from me again. Because of something of 600 naira I want to buy sugar and Eve. Mad people everywhere.
Now, wow. Hey, see your face. When I heard it, I said, let me see you face to face before I conclude. Kai! That time we were telling you not to marry. We thought we were jealous of you. You see your life. I'm
Amaka, how was I supposed to know? What I planned wasn't what I saw.
Hey,
it's not my fault.
Chai. Hi, that guy is very wicked though. He's very, very wicked. But for the fact that I'm sympathizing with you, you will give me back that Ashebi money. Ashebi clothes. You will give me back.
Amaka, please stop. You're not serious.
You thought I'm joking? You are who is laughing. Which one is I'm not serious? I beg you, go give me back that money.
Amaka, please stop all these things.
I am not joking with you. I'm not joking. You will give me back that money. It's my money. Amaka, you will give it to me.
Amaka, I'm in pain.
What's my business with your pain? Lord, give me back that money. That should be close. You must give me back the money.
I understand.
You know how much I spent?
Are you serious?
Man, you give it. What's come? Am I serious?
But it was not my fault that the marriage ended now.
Okay, how is it my business?
Okay, you're supposed to be sympathizing
madam,
with me.
go and bring that money. I need the money.
You're not serious, Amaka. You can't be serious.
Do you think I'm joking? Am I playing with you? I better go and get that money. Okay, come on, don't touch me. Give me back that money. Add me change here. Give me back the money.
Are you running? So they run like chicken.
Oh.
Because of a masquerade.
You know, I am not from a village. I don't know what will happen if I stood there.
Nothing dey happen, forget that thing. You will be man. This is where you just to a man. Woman will follow you still there. You don't leave me. I say, okay, me and you who go protect each other now. Oh. Just leave me alone. That's not nice. You know what will happen, eh? Your name is supposed to be Teresa, while my name will be Frank.
I beg, forget that.
I am the man right now.
Forget that thing. Forget it. God.
Breathe well. Calm down.